to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu. Today's recipe is peanut murukku. You might know how to make many varieties of murukku, but the delicious and crunchy peanut murukku, we don't know how many of you know about it. So today we thought of showing you how to make peanut murukku the way it's done in our home, in our village. Let's try making it.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. I have taken 2 1/4 cups of raw rice here. It's half kg. Soaked for 4 hours and then drained it. But look, there is no water, but it should be wet like this. Let's add this to a mixie jar little by little and grind it well. Grind it nicely like this. Grind it and sieve it. While sieving, even if a grain falls out, you can again grind it and sieve it. Have all the rice flour ready, thoroughly ground and sieved, let it be there. I have a cup of peanut lightly roasted and skin removed. This should not be fried too much. Add this to a mixie jar, turn it on the pulse mode and grind it well.
I ground the peanuts nicely using pulse mode. What next?
Now add 20 cloves of garlic and 12 green chillies to a mixie jar. Add a little water and then finely grind them. Here I have ground garlic and green chillies. Ground rice and peanuts are also ready. Now let's add the rice flour to a pan and heat it lightly, just enough heat to touch it.
Tell me how hard this flour should be.
It should be warm enough to hold in our hands. The moisture needs to go away. Don't fry it too much, as the moisture will evaporate and it will become little dry. This is enough. Let's transfer to a plate. Now the rice flour has cooled off well. Add the peanut powder to the rice powder. 2 1/2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Then add the garlic and green chilli paste and mix it. It will be little wet. With that, add water little by little and mix it well like a chapati dough mix. The final dough should be like a chapati dough. If it's too thick, you can sprinkle a little water and knead it well. If it becomes too loose, you can adjust it by adding some rice flour.
Dough should be in perfect consistency like this. If you take some portion, it should come out like this.
The dough is ready. Now this is the mold we are going to use. It's a single star mold. This is the one that's good for peanut murukku. Apply some oil inside the tube. Every time when we add dough, if we spread it well like this, the dough will come out easily. In the same way, we can spread oil well on this big ladle. Let's take a little bit of dough. Roll it out well, put it inside the tube. And start our murukku twisting. The dough comes down easily if the dough mix is perfect. It's easy to twist it. Let's press it the edge like this so that it doesn't break.
I shall try putting a little dough in the oil to see if the oil is hot enough. Yes, it's good to go. Shall I add?
Yes. Set the stove to medium flame and add this dough to the oil. Don't put many at once, just add enough to the oil to fry. Turn this murukku around and turn it around and fry. You can take it out when the oil bustle settles. Look, the super crunchy peanut murukku is ready. Tasty and crunchy peanut murukku is ready.
Please try making it the same way and let us know in the comments.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.